Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your Realme 6 Pro, for the first we can open the browser and we'll be going to connect. So let's go right here and maybe we can enter the Google Pictures and we are going to get the Justin Bieber picture. Go for the graphic and we can take this one, click, hold, tap on the save, click allow, and right now we are going to check where we can find it. So we have to enter the files on the file manager. Okay, click allow, enter downloads, and as you can see right here we got the picture that we take from the Google Chrome, from the Google browser. And thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.